Hello my dear Whoop friends. I've been asked a few times in the comments how the 75 Pro flies with a 720 mm Lipo. The 75 Pro also flies with these Lipos, but not particularly good, of course. Agility suffers from the weight of the Lipos. The efficiency of the overall system with the 75 Pro is also not particularly good with these Lipos. 550 mm is the maximum Lipo size for good efficiency of the entire system with the 75 Pro Whoop. In addition, the 720 mm Lipos do not fit in the Lipo slot of the 75 Pro. I attached them with a rubber band for the test flights. That's why these Lipos don't make sense for the 75 Pro in my opinion. Especially not for race or freestyle pilots. At most for hover pilots. Or for race pilots who for some reason want maximum flight time and are prepared to compromise on agility in flight. Otherwise they make no sense. Flight time increases, but the agility of the drone decreases. And the crash resistance of the drone also decreases. And I don't know whether the ESCs will last either. Stay tuned for the next videos my friends. Also note the existing videos on the channel and especially the tutorials and comparisons in which I have invested a lot of work. If you have any questions, please feel free to write in the comments. But make sure that you have searched on my channel beforehand using the channel's internal search function. I wish you good flights with your tiny Whoop. Whoop whoop!
Hello my Whoop friends, the Whoop in this video is the Meteor 75 Pro from Betafpv, but not in the stock version, in my ButterflyFPV version with some modifications. For example, some holes in the canopy as well as in the frame to make it lighter. Direct soldered motor cables to the board without motor plugs, AWG20 main cable, BT 2.0 main connector, titanium motor screws, and tiny Whoop pinch cam, as well as an OVX 300 VTX from Happy Model. And that's about it. I do have some videos about those modifications and some other videos on my channel. Please check them out.